Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. This video is related to Odisha Joint Entrance Examination 2022 application correction. This is the official website of OJEE, that is ojee.nic.in, and after visiting this website you will find the link to exercise application correction at the bottom of the page. Here is the link: correction in application forms for OJEE 2022. You will click on this link. This page will open in a new tab, and here the registered candidates have to fill their application number, password, and then security pin, which is shown here, and then click on the sign in button to access your account. After login into your account, you will be able to modify the details you want to. So this was the process. The direct link to access this page is available in the description box. You can click on that link to visit this page. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe the channel for the other important updates.